Video on the absolute dog of a job of replacing the ball joint boot, the lower ball joint boot. And what you got to do is you've got to take the old boot off and then put a new one on, clean it all up, grease it up, and then simply put this clip on. It's an absolute dog of a job, and it's just taken me over 3 hours. So I thought I'd just put this video on to tell you how I did it. So this is one of the clips. This is the clip that was supplied with a new ball joint boot, but I used the original one in the end. So you have to find a way to stretch this all out. So what I did was I just put cable ties around the vise and I stretched this all out. Now this one's slightly distorted, but what you do is you gradually, slowly tension it all out. And this is a two-handed job, obviously, and it's better with 3 hands, until that gets bigger and bigger and bigger. And then what I did was I got a 55mm bit of pipe, and I got this on a 55mm bit of pipe. So now I've got that clip open, all nicely stretched tight on that 55mm bit of pipe. And then what I did was I took my boot and I put it inside that. So I don't know where my old boot's gone, I've thrown it away. But I'll put the black boot sitting inside that. So the lip, bottom lip, that bottom lip there is just sticking out here. Pack it all your grease and whatnot. And then what I did was I slide this over that and I push that all on, and so that just went over the lip. Okay, you push that all on, so all you can see now is this is all in place. You put the lip on, and then and then what I needed to do, which we tried it once and then it didn't work, so we found another bit of pipe. This is a bit of an old Dyson, which slides inside that pipe. So now that boot's all pushed on, it's all the way down to the bottom, everything's in place. The metal clip's on the end here, and then what you gradually do is push the inside pipe and pull the white pipe back a little bit. So what it does, it holds this all in place, and it just exposes the groove where. So this is all now packed with grease and so on. So this is won't go on now, but I assure you once that metal clip's all out, it does. And then all you do is you hold it all in place, hold it there, so you just expose this groove, and then you very gently push the metal clip off the end of that pipe, and it goes ping, and it's on. And that's taken about nearly 4 hours to get that clip on. And I've watched a couple of the clips on YouTube, and they say simply pop this on. I've got no idea how they do it because nobody shows you, but that's the way I just solved it. Stretch it all out like that, put it on a bit of pipe, put your black thing inside. That's 55mm, that pipe. Put your black thing then inside there, push that all on there, put another bit of pipe on, pull the white pipe back a little bit, push your clip on into that gap, ping, job done. And if I'd known that at the start, it probably would have taken me about 15 minutes. But there you go. Hope that helps someone.